Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Railblaza Kayak Trolley Cart. The amazing thing about this cart is that it's simple to put together and doesn't require any tools. The high-grip rubber tread on the puncture-free wheels allows them to work on any surface. The kayak cart from c-tug is only 10 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. Don't be deceived by the cart's small weight, it can carry up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for even the heaviest kayaks. Puncture-resistant high-grip rubber tread wheels, you'll never have to worry about a flat tire on your kayak or canoe cart. It also comes with an adjustable kickstand. This cart is built for all terrains and will get you paddling in no time. To get to your next destination, strap your canoe or kayak to the trolley. It saves you the trouble of lifting and carrying your heavy boat to and from the sea. Most hull forms are accommodated by adjustable rubberized cushions. In less than 20 seconds, it dismantles and fits within the kayak hatch for transport to your next destination. Allows for convenient transport and assembly at home, on the beach, or on the sea. Let's watch more. Number 2 in this best kayak cart list is Rad Sports Kayak Trolley Cart. The Rad Sports Kayak Trolley makes moving your kayak or canoe a breeze. The sturdy aluminum frame will hold up to the largest kayaks, and the 9.5 inches pneumatic tires will never go flat, and never let you down. When you're finished using it, the kayak trolley folds down to a compact size and stores away easily. With a 150-pound weight capacity, your Rad kayak trolley will haul even the largest kayaks or canoes with ease to and from the water, or anywhere you don't want to carry your kayak. Safe and secure, with the included tie-down straps, you don't need to worry about your kayak falling off the trolley. Compacts down to a compact size for easy storage or transport. High-quality yellow powder-coated aluminum will hold up to years of use. 9.5 inches pneumatic tires make moving heaviest of loads smooth on any surface. Perfect for home or use at the water's edge. The trolley features foam cushions to protect your kayak or canoe from damage, and the double kickstand offers extra stability when mounting your kayak. This portable canoe and kayak dolly arrives completely assembled and folds down to a compact size for easy storage and transporting. Our third choice is ABN Universal Kayak Carrier. This trolley is suitable for any kayak weighing less than 200 pounds. The cart's high-strength anodized steel is designed to last while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. You'll be able to go effortlessly through sand, gravel, and in wooded regions with 9.5-inch tires that are easy to fill. With a 12-foot strap to keep it in place, those huge foam bumpers protect your kayak safe from dents and scratches. When you're through, simply fold it and place it in a huge backpack for convenient transport. The ABN Universal Boat Carrier is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It eliminates the inconvenience of transporting stuff and is compatible with a wide range of boats. The carrier collapses for easy storage and transportation. The tires may be simply removed by removing the linchpin and stored in a large bag or right in the kayak with you when out on the water exploring. The ABN Universal Boat Carrier comes with a 12-foot tie-down strap for securing your kayak, paddleboard, boat, or floating mat, as well as a spring-loaded kickstand for easy loading. It also comes with extra large foam padding to protect your kayak from scratches and dents while it's in use. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best kayak cart list is Bonlo Kayak Cart. Bonlo airless tires include the following features that from your house or parking lot to the river, lake, or ocean, the cart glides effortlessly while laden with a kayak, canoe, or paddleboard. Fold it up and put the wheels and the rest in the hull of your kayak, or attach it to the back with a bungee rope. Airless weight capacity of 165 pounds on 10 inches tires. The frame is protected from wear by rubber bumpers on the foot. There are 4 foam bumpers on the arms to protect the hull of your canoe or kayak. The carrier collapses for easy storage and transportation. The tires may be simply removed by removing the linchpin and stored in a large bag or right in the kayak with you when out on the water exploring. The wheels and the remainder of the kayak trolley can be folded and stored in the hull of your kayak, or it can be strapped to the back with a bungee cord. It comes with 2 12-foot spare tied down straps that are long enough and of sufficient quality to hold a full-size kayak or canoe while still being able to store and move the cart. Protect your canoe kayak hull with a solid aluminum frame and foam bumpers on each arm. Easy loading is made possible with a sturdy 2mm metal pipe kickstand. The leader accessories have a maximum weight capability of 165 pounds. Our fifth and last choice is TMS Kayak Cart. With our canoe and kayak dolly, you can effortlessly transport a single canoe or kayak from the parking lot to the lake. It's made to support a canoe kayak in a V-shaped cradle by the hull, with 3 to 12-inch length foam bumpers on each arm. To keep the cradle from opening too much, the arms are attached with a 13-inch nylon strap. A 9 1/4-inch height spring-loaded stand is part of the support platform, and it maintains the dolly cart propped up on shore for easy loading out of the water. Flat-free tires with a diameter of 9 to 12 inches give stable stability on uneven ground, which is particularly useful in sandy areas. A kayak or canoe can be easily rested on the dolly cart platform, strapped down, and ready to go. It may be folded and stored easily. The hull of your canoe or kayak is protected by a solid metal frame with foam bumpers on each arm. Easy loading is made possible by the sturdy double-leg kickstand. Fasteners are stainless steel, and the linch pin is chrome. Dolly disassembles for easy storage or transportation. Only the wheels need to be fitted for quick assembly.